Have you ever questioned why the C programming language is so fundamental to our technology today? The answer lies in the early 1970s, a time when technology was rapidly evolving and the need for a more efficient, versatile language was paramount. Enter the C language, the brainchild of Dennis Ritchie, developed within the creative hotbed of Bell Laboratories. The C language was not just another programming language, it was a game changer, a language designed with a clear vision to enable system programming. It was crafted for the Unix operating system, one of the most influential operating systems of its time and arguably even today. Ritchie's vision was not just about creating a language, it was about crafting a tool that would give programmers flexibility and power while still maintaining efficiency and speed. A tool that could handle the demands of system programming, embedded devices, and operating systems. This was the birth of C, a language that would soon revolutionize the world of programming. Enter Brian Kernighan, a man whose contribution to the C language cannot be understated. A Canadian by birth, Kernighan was a scholar with a knack for mathematics and computer science. His journey led him to Princeton University, where he earned his PhD in electrical engineering. But the real turning point came when he joined Bell Labs, a hotbed for innovation and technological advancement. It was here that Kernighan crossed paths with Dennis Ritchie, a fellow computer scientist with a shared vision for a more efficient, more powerful programming language. Their collaboration was born out of a mutual desire to revolutionize the way programming was done. They saw the potential for a language that was low-level, efficient, and portable. A language that could be used for system programming, embedded devices, and operating systems. A language that was to become known as C. Brian Kernighan was set to make his mark on the world of programming. So, what exactly did Brian Kernighan do to shape the C language as we know it today? Well, Kernighan's significant contribution to the C language was his co-authorship of the C programming language. This book, written with Dennis Ritchie, was a seminal work that formally introduced the C language to the world. But it wasn't just a mere introduction. It was a comprehensive guide, a blueprint that extensively outlined the syntax, semantics, and application of the C language. This book wasn't just about teaching people how to code, it was about showing the world the immense potential of the C language. A language that was low-level, efficient, and portable. A language that could be used for system programming, embedded devices, and operating systems. Kernighan and Ritchie's book was more than just a tutorial. It was a declaration of the power of programming, the possibilities of what could be achieved with the right tools and the right language. The impact of the C programming language was profound. It laid the foundation for many of the programming languages we use today. Languages like Python, Ruby, and Java all have their roots in the principles outlined in this book. In essence, Kernighan didn't just help create a programming language, he helped create the modern world of programming, a world where the possibilities are only limited by our imagination. Kernighan's book was a game changer, setting the stage for the future of programming. We've talked about how important the C language is, but what about Brian Kernighan's legacy? Brian Kernighan, beyond co-authoring the seminal book, The C Programming Language, has left an indelible mark on the world of programming. His work and teachings have guided countless programmers, fostering a deep understanding and appreciation for the C language. But how has Kernighan's work influenced today's programming landscape? Well, to put it simply, the C language, introduced and explained by Kernighan, has become the backbone of many modern languages and systems. Languages like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript all have their roots in C. It's like the grandparent of programming languages, with its DNA being passed down through generations of code. Moreover, Kernighan's book continues to be a vital resource for programmers worldwide. Despite the rise of countless other programming languages and technologies, the C programming language remains a cornerstone text. It is revered for its concise and clear explanations, making it an essential guide for anyone wishing to delve into the world of programming. And so, Kernighan's influence stretches far and wide, from the foundational structure of our most beloved digital platforms to the minds of those who build them. Brian Kernighan's legacy lives on in every line of C code written, in every system that runs on C, and in every programmer who has learned from his book. The world of technology owes a lot to Brian Kernighan and the C language,